In this video, we're going to take a look at ways to make change interview problem. So the interview would ask us construct a function that would accept two arguments, amount and coins. And what we need to do here is return the value, the maximum ways to make change, basically, right? In this example, we would return 4. Why 4? Because we can construct 10 from only ones, right? 1 plus 1, etc. And then 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. And 5 is also 10. Another way of constructing this change is 5 plus 1 and 10. So basically, this amounts to 4 ways of making change from the current coin denominations. Cool. So how would we solve this? We could solve it with dynamic programming. So we would construct DP array, which can be pre-populated just with zeros. So let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 10. But because we'll be using indexes as current amounts, we need to do one more, so 11. Why is that? Because we know that indexes start with 0, right? Like this. And we need to take care of before we start solving this. We need to, there's only one way of making change for 0, right? There's only one way. After that, we just update the values from taking coins. So we start with coin number 1, and we update DP values. So let's say that we're here. We update it with how many ways is to construct 1, where it's just 1, right? And so forth, right? And let's do just until 5 right now. Right, we continue until the end, so there's only ones here. Next coin is 5, and of course, when using coins, we can just keep all the values until index 5. So let's do that. Now we're here. Cool. So until now, we have one way of making our change, but now there's 2. So there's only ones and there's 5. There's 5, so we have 2, right? So let's just code it up. I think it will be more clear how this is doing with dynamic programming. But we're basically just calculating the best or the max ways on each step for each coin, right? So let's get it in code. So let's have an amount which can be 10, and coins which can be 1, 5, and 10. If we print ways, we should expect to get 4 back, like this, right? First we construct a DP array, which can be pre-filled with 0 values, and we amount plus 1. Plus 1 because we need to take care of amount of 0, which can be made only, there's only one way to make 0, right? And then we have first for loop, which is for coin in coins, right? And then for I in range, we start with coin, and until length of DP, like this. And on each stage, we need to update our DP, right? And we need to update it with whatever is. So let's just create DP array just for demonstration, right? So it's 10, 11, right? 11 zeros. So we already updated 0 value to be 1, so there's only one way of making zeros. And now we started with coin 1, so we start here, right? We're starting here, and we take whatever it is here, so it's 0, plus dp I minus coin. So we take a remainder, which is 0, and so it will become 0 plus 1, like this, and we're updating like this, right? Cool. So we're basically done here, I think. After we're done with both for loops, we can just return dp amount. And let's just run this code. It works. Like if you don't understand dynamic programming, like the first time you encounter dp, it's hard. The best way to know what's happening is just do it like I did, right? To step all the way here, like with debugger or just by hand, and see what's happening, right? But the basic gist of dynamic programming is we're calculating the best ways or max ways of calculating coins with a current amount on each step, right? So for coin 1 on index 1, there's only one way of doing this, right? And when we hit 5, there's 2 ways of doing this. And once we're done, we can just return the last index of dp, and this is basically our result. And that's it. So yeah, that's it for this one. Till next time. Bye.